Hey folks, how you doing? Sandro here from Social Woodworks TV. On today's build video, I made this epoxy inlay sign out of this beautiful piece of walnut. If you'd like to see how I did it, just keep watching. Real quick, guys, I'd like to thank the sponsor of the video today, Worx Tools. They were nice enough to send me this awesome Pegasus 2-in-1 table and sawhorse. This thing is awesome as a table. It could hold up to 300 pounds and take abuse. As a sawhorse, it could hold up to 1,000 pounds. It comes with 2 quick clamps that integrate into these channels so you can clamp things real easily, and it folds up and you can store it away, bring it out whenever it's ready to be used. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be talking about a special giveaway. Worx has agreed to give one of these awesome tables to one of my lucky subscribers. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about the details of how you could enter the contest. With that, let's get building.
Perfect.
All right, guys, it's time to open this bad boy up. Let's see what this thing's all about. All right. All right, this thing comes fully assembled. That's nice. As you guys can see, everything is here. Everything's mounted on the table. There's no additional storage needed for this thing. It's all fully self-contained. You can see the clamp is mounted right there on the rail. Same with the other side, and the 2 bench dogs on each side. So let's see how easy it is to set this thing up. So I'm just grabbing one side of the table. I heard some snaps. There it is. That was pretty easy. So here it is. I mean, this thing, if I'm being completely honest, feels really sturdy. I'm actually surprised. I've had similar sort of stow and go little work tables, but none felt this sturdy. I mean, this thing says it could hold 300 pounds. Not quite 300 pounds, but I'm a big guy. I just got on top of this thing no problem. Let's check out these clamps because this is what I was kind of excited about. Alright guys, so I just clamped on this piece of wood essentially as a platform so I can route on top of this, and you can see here the clamping power of these built-in tracks that the WORX Pegasus has. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Keep in mind, I've never freehand routed or trace routed or whatever. I've never routed a sign before in my life. Here goes nothing. All right, guys, I'd like to thank our sponsor one last time, Works Tools. Thank you guys for being so awesome and sending us this Pegasus to use in today's video. If you guys want to learn more about the Pegasus, click on the link in the description below to take you over to Works website. You can learn all about it, get the specifications, and if you want to buy one for yourself, make sure you use promo code SOCIALWOOD10. You'll get 10% off of your order. The contest, right? That's what you guys are waiting for. Contest is super easy to enter. All you got to do is head on down to my Instagram. I got the tag down here somewhere. Link is also in the description down below. Head on over to my Instagram page. All the details for the contest will be there. Quick and easy. It'll take you about 15 seconds to enter. And on December 21st, 2018, I'm going to pick a random winner and we'll ship one out for you guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, smash that like button. I'm Sandro and we'll see you on the next build. See ya.